Today, we are thrilled to share with you the beginning of our next adventure with the Grand Design Momentum 397TH-R, our brand new fifth wheel camper. Join us as we take you through the first steps of settling into our new home on wheels.
Our cheapy Home Depot mat. For the time being, we didn't come prepared.
What do you mean? It says hello and goodbye.
Hello and goodbye.
That's all we got.
Yeah. And shoes off.
Well, we gotta.
Oh, we got things. What do you think, babies? Louie, come here. Hi. Hi. Yeah? What you think, Stella? Huh? Yeah, check things out, huh?
As soon as we brought this beauty home, we could not wait to make it our own. We started by moving in some of our belongings right off the bat. It was a moment filled with anticipation and excitement as we realized that this is where so many countless memories were going to be made. Over the past several months, we've been preparing for this adventure by saving up and making some necessary purchases. Today, it's time to unpack and unbox all of the essentials, from pots and pans to cozy blankets and everything in between. We carefully arranged each item, turning our new camper into a comfortable and functional home. And what's a new beginning without celebrating with loved ones? We were fortunate to have some close friends join us to celebrate this exciting milestone.
Hello. Hi, Secret.
It's trying to warm up.
It's trying real hard.
Feels better outside, so
Yeah.
that's one thing.
Yeah, Mom. Say hi.
It was. I didn't have it. We just got here.
They were as amazed by the camper as we were, and their visit made the start of our new adventure even more special. Together, we laughed, shared stories, and toasted to the start of this next incredible journey. After our friends left, we got to work on some upgrades. We installed shelves for our phones above the outlets, making charging convenient and clutter-free. We also replaced the old, uncomfortable mattress with a new one. Trust us, it was a must. To achieve a cleaner look, we installed blackout backing inside all of our kitchen cabinets. Now everything is neatly concealed. We also took the time to remove stickers that seemed to be everywhere, giving our camper a fresh and personalized touch.
Much better.
We added a paper towel holder for convenience, and, for safety, Lucas installed a surge protector. It's an essential device that safeguards our electrical system and provides peace of mind.
Well, the dogs and I were just sitting here, and next thing I know, we look out the window and there's Lucas with a ladder. I have no idea what he's doing.
Mother Nature decided to make an appearance, and we experienced our first rainstorm.
It's actually pretty quiet.
Finally, we were able to relax and enjoy some well-deserved downtime. The super sofa in our camper is incredibly comfortable, allowing us to kick back and unwind after a busy day of settling in. As the sun finally set on this memorable day, we can't help but feel a sense of gratitude and anticipation for the adventures that lie ahead. This is not just a camper, it's a getaway to countless destinations, experiences, and cherished moments waiting to be discovered. This was just a first glimpse on this next exciting chapter of our lives. We can't wait to share more of our journey with you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more RV adventures and inspiration. Until next time, see you, bye!